Guided meditation for healing from gaslighting. Welcome to this guided meditation for healing from gaslighting and reconnecting with your inner truth. If you've ever questioned your reality, doubted your feelings, or felt unheard, this meditation is for you. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without distractions. Gently close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale gently through your mouth. Breathe in, hold, and release. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more present. Picture yourself standing tall, like a strong tree, deeply rooted in the earth. No storm can shake your foundation. You are steady. You are safe. Now, bring awareness to any doubts or negative thoughts that have been weighing you down. Imagine placing them into a stream, watching them float away, no longer clinging to you. You do not have to carry these doubts any longer. Say to yourself, I trust my own mind. I honor my own feelings. Now, place your hand over your heart and silently repeat these affirmations. My thoughts and feelings are valid. I am worthy of love, respect, and truth. I release the need to seek validation from those who dismiss me. I trust myself. I trust my inner wisdom. Feel the warmth of self-trust growing inside you, replacing past confusion with clarity. Picture yourself standing in front of a mirror, looking deep into your own eyes. See the strength, the wisdom, the truth that has always been within you. Now, imagine the mirror reflecting only love and confidence back at you. You are no longer seeking truth outside of yourself, you carry it within. Take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. You are strong. You are whole. You are free. At Isabella's Homes, we believe in the power of healing, self-trust, and emotional well-being. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Isabella's Homes, your recovery gateway.